Hi everyone, it's me PSA, and today's video is I'm gonna teach you how to make an appointment to PSA or NSO. So again, I will write also the description on how you order your documents through PSA website. So again, if you're new here to my channel, please do subscribe and click that bell button so that you're updated on my upcoming videos.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got you feeling both love. You get to fly with me.
So guys, first thing we do, we go to our Chrome, then type the crs-appointment.psa-helpline.ph, and you may read the privacy notice and also click the I agree. Then you may read also the important reminders. After that, if you're done, then click the next. After that is select the region, your region, and also your city, and click next. Once we click next is enter your contact information, complete the details that they need like complete name, the mobile number, and also the email ad. And after that is click the I agree. Once we click the I agree is click the next. Once we click next is PSA send verification code to your email, and again you may check your email that we enter. So again, this is the example of email, so double check the details, and after that is you may enter the pin here, then click the verify. Then after that is this is only the example, guys. So these are the example of the certificate like birth certificate, marriage contract, CENOMAR, and death certificate. So again, you choose only one, or again after that is I choose the birth certificate, then choose the relationship of the owner, no? After that, fill up the details that they need, and again double check all the information that you enter. Then after that you can add another certificate, no? So after that is click the next, and again this is only the example, so I choose two names of my siblings because I want to get their birth certificate, no? So after that, enter the details that they need and click the next, and again after that is select the date that you want to be, no? So again select your convenient date and select your convenient time. So again double check all the details and choose wisely the date and time, and make sure that you can enter the time and date you choose. Then click the next. Once we click next is here's appointment details. Again, review all the details that we enter, double check the requirements that they need, and again click confirm. Once we click the confirm is they said that you're successfully booked an appointment. So click natin yung next. After that is here's the example. You may screenshot here all the details and bring it to the PSA in charge. And again, don't forget also the to fill up the PSA form of what type of documents that you want to claim, so that bring it to the PSA in charge. So again, screenshot all the details, and again here's the appointment details, and bring to the PSA office. So again, if you have a printer, you may print the form, but again for me I refer to screenshots. So again guys, that's all for today's video. Hope it would be help. Again, if you have a concern about this transaction, you can leave me a comment below. So thank you so much everyone for being always there, and God bless.